Good evening, guys. Hope you're well. Today I'll do a lemon cake. That is why we have a lemon as one of our ingredients. Then I have 3 eggs. I have that amount of sugar. Then I have baking powder. I have a cup of flour, but I will be using 2 cups of flour, that size. Then I have a cup of milk. Then finally I have a good scoop of margarine, as you can see. And I'll be using that mwiko to stir my ingredients in that bowl. Karibuni sana. So we've started with the sugar and the margarine. We're going to mix the two until the mixture is fluffy. We'll now add our first egg. Then we stir. Then we'll add our second egg, and then we stir. Then our third egg, and we stir. We'll add half the cup of milk. The other half we'll add later. Then we stir. We'll then sieve our flour into our mixture. We'll add a tablespoon of baking powder. Then we will sieve the flour and the baking powder together into our mixture. Then we will fold in our flour slowly, like so. Then we will add the other half cup of milk into our mixture. Then we stir slowly, like so. We have our second cup of flour and a tablespoon of baking powder. We'll add them together, then sieve. Then we fold in slowly, like so. So that's how we are going to grate our lemon, so that we can add the same to our mixture. This is how our lemon looks like. So we're going to add the same to our mixture. So that's how we're going to add. Then we're going to slowly fold the same in. That is how our mixture looks like now. So that's how we are oiling our baking sufuria. You can use a baking tin. That's how our tin looks like. We are now going to add the mixture into our baking sufuria, like so. So this is our mixture. We will bake it in an oven at 180 degrees, and we have preheated our oven for 10 minutes, and we will bake this cake for around 45 to 50 minutes.